Hennessy for my cup and it ain't for body, oh. Shagalo, see your duty, Larry, oh. All of my girls and bad, we gon' kiss somebody, oh. Say the ginger go kiss somebody, oh. Aje, 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 Aje. Mananti, baby man, oh.
Like, I want to cry because I do the video and everything delayed right now. So pissed off. I want to cry. The wig come with this wig cap is this. I want to cry. Okay, everything the wig come in this plastic. This is the net. It come with this and this plastic. Everything come in this box. In this box, okay? Please ignore me because I want to cry. Like, I do the video, it's super cool and everything delayed. This is the wig. It's like bright out. It's like bright out wig, full wig. You can see it's very full. It's super full. Like, it's like you bright. If you have long hair, you bright your hair and you lose it. It's cool. It comes with two combs here in the front, one comb in the back, and one adjustable straps. I'm so pissed off right now because I do the video and everything delayed. Really? So annoying. Like, how soon? Dope. Me cae todo pesado, qué fuerte. A mí me tenía que pasar. I come like this. I really love it. So you don't need to do too much. I call this wig stress free. I'm going to put it like this because I prefer the wig to stay like this. Okay. And I do it like this. Ooh. It's cute. I love it. I like it. I really like it. Where is the pamphlet? The wig is from Silike here in Amazon, and you have it. It's from Silike here in Amazon, and you have it in AliExpress too. And let me tell you the tea about this wig. This wig, let me see, shading is like this. It's because I throw it, but normally don't have shade like this, like some strand of hair, but it don't have that shade. You see, some strand of hair. See, it's not shading. Having some strand of hair is normal. It's synthetic wig, what do you expect? But it's not that shady like hello, like crazy. No, this wig is very affordable. I will leave the price here or down below because I will leave the link down below. Go and check it out. And the wig is very cute, and you have it in black, color 1B, 1, 2, and 4. This is the color 4. Okay, this is the color 4, and it's very cute. It's like you are in a rush and you have to go to school, university, work, and you wake up late. You put this, okay, just like that. You see, just like that, and you're ready to go. Okay, you're ready to go, vale. You're ready to go, baby. Like, it's like you put it on like you ready to fly. Okay, my dears. Okay, y'all. It's super cute and affordable. It comes like this part. It's not central. I think it's central. Like, it's like this. I put it here because I prefer it to be like in this side. And it's gorgeous. It's full. Let me give you like love it. It's cute. It not smell bad. Like the smelling is not bad. It's not smell bad. It's not like no. It smell good. It's not that bad. Okay. And it's cute and affordable. And hey queens, you all that going to start school or university right now, you need this wig. You need this wig. You say, let me focus or let me. You can say you you can notice. You can notice it. If I go out like this, you can notice it. Okay, you can notice it. It's very full, and I prefer to put it like this. Can it look like natural? It's like I put crochet and I braid the hair, then I dip it in hot water, and it come like this. It's like braid out wig. I love it. So yeah, go to Silike here in Amazon and AliExpress. I will leave the link down below of directly of the wigs and the stores. Okay, and don't forget that, hey girls, don't forget that you have many options here. You have more wigs, you have crochet, you have locks, you have box braid, you have bright hair to do Insta and everything. So hey, okay. I'm really in love with these contacts. Like, hey, you can notice that it's not my contacts. You see? Oh my god, it looks very natural. The contact looks for colorshare.com. I will leave the link down below. The name of the contact is Glow Green. I don't know, but I'll leave the name of the contact here and down below. And they are for $15. But with my discount code, oh my god, I'm in love. You will have it for $30. I will leave you here. $30 for 6 months of contact lenses, girls. So that is all. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a big thumbs up if you like this wig, if you like my face, if you like this video, if you like my channel. And don't forget to click the bell so you will be notified when I upload new video. Okay? 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 Okay, yeah. And yeah. Bye. Kisses. And don't forget to subscribe. Go to Silike here. Okay? Go to Silike here. Don't forget, life is too short to have blonde hair. So yeah, go and take your wig. Go and change your wig. Go and change your wig. Okay? Have a cute day. Bye bye bye.